Echoes of peace calling to me. The night is soft, the stars are near. Your presence whispers clear. Every wave that meets the shore reminds me I'm yours. You breathe in colors of the sky, where time and love collide. Every moment you restore, I'm whole once more. You move within the sound, your grace is all around. Your spirit gently flows, forever it grows. Echoes of peace, deep and true. I hear your voice come through. Every silence sings your name. Nothing feels the same. Echoes of peace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I'll remain in this refrain. The morning light begins to rise. Your mercy fills the skies. Every tear you've washed away, in grace I stay. Your spirit moves in every breeze, a song that never leaves. You speak and hearts align, your love divine. You move within the sound, your grace is all around. Your spirit gently flows, forever it grows. Echoes of peace, deep and true. I hear your voice come through. Every silence sings your name. Nothing feels the same. Echoes of peace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I'll remain in this refrain. Your peace like rivers flow, wherever I may go. Each breath becomes a prayer. I know you're there. You calm the storm inside. Your love will never hide. Forever you'll be peace over me. to praise your name. You fill the skies with endless grace, your warmth in every place, through every tide and hue. I'm shining bright for you. You move within the air, your love beyond compare. In every spark I see, you're burning inside me. Hearts of light, glowing free, you shine through all I see. Every color, every sound, your presence all around. Hearts of light, calm and pure, your mercy will endure forever. We will be your hearts of light. Your hearts of the ocean mirrors heaven's glow. Your love begins to flow. Every heartbeat sings of you, in every shade of blue. Your spirit whispers through the breeze, a peace that never leaves. You lift my soul above with everlasting love. You move within the air, your love beyond compare. In every spark I see, you're burning inside me. Hearts of light, glowing free, you shine through all I see. Every color, every sound, your presence all around. Hearts of light, calm and pure, your mercy will endure forever. We will be your hearts of light. Let your radiance fill this place, the beauty of your grace. Every tear and fear erased by your embrace. We'll carry love so wide, with you as our guide. Forever we'll ignite your hearts of light. Your promise always true. I'm safe in you. Love that never ends, calm and true. Every heartbeat's made by you. Through the storm, through the rain, your joy remains. Love that never ends, warm and near. I feel your spirit here. Forever I depend on love that never ends. When the world fades away, your love will stay. Through the silence and the fire, you lift me higher. You're the rhythm in my chest, my peace, my rest. Forever you defend love that never ends. Love that never love that never ends. Forever you mend. Love that never ends. Thankful heart, where grace will start. The dawn awakens soft and clear. Your mercy draws me near. Every moment, every sound, your beauty all around. The gentle waves, they sing your praise in endless tender ways. My heart begins to see you're all I need to be. You lift me when I fall. You're everything and all. Your presence fills this space with endless grace. Thankful heart, open wide. Your love will be my guide. Every breath, every start flows from this thankful heart. Thankful heart, calm and true. All I am belongs to you. Forever set apart, my thankful heart. Every star flows from this thankful heart, calm and true. All I am belongs to you, forever set apart, my thankful heart. Thankful heart, forever yours. ocean whispers through my heart. Your love's where I start. Every tide and every sound, your mercy all around. You move like water through my pain. You wash me clean again. In every breath I see, you're healing me. You calm the raging sea. Your peace surrounding me. Your light begins to shine forever mine. Waves of grace, soft and white, you pull me to your side. Every fear fades away in your gentle sway. Waves of grace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I will stay in waves of grace. Ocean of grace. The night is still, the stars align. Your spirit intertwines. Every whisper calls my name. I'll never be the same. You move with rhythm, soft and slow. Through every ebb and flow, my soul begins to rise to meet your skies. You calm the raging sea. Your peace surrounding me. Your light begins to shine forever mine. Waves of grace, soft and white, you pull me to your side. Every fear fades away in your gentle sway. Waves of grace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I will stay in waves of grace. Let your mercy flood the deep, where love and spirit meet. Every tear you've washed away with every wave. Your rhythm beats within my chest. Your peace my only rest. Forever I'll embrace your waves of grace. Your light forever glows. Presence eternal, soft and bright. You are my endless light. Every moment, every sigh, you're always by my side. Presence eternal, calm and true. My heart belongs to you. Forever I will stay in your holy way. You are the fire within my heart. You've set my life apart. Your peace is all I see. You're everything to me. No shadow can remain. Your mercy breaks the chain. Forever you will be my eternity. Presence eternal, soft and bright. You are my endless light. Every moment, every sigh, you're always by my side. Presence eternal, calm and true. My heart belongs to you. Forever I will stay in your holy way. Presence eternal, forever you stay. Presence eternal. Sacred moments where you dwell. In quiet waves I hear your sound, where love and peace abound. Every breath becomes a prayer. I know that you are there. The world fades out, I close my eyes. Your spirit fills the skies. Your whispers wrap around my soul and make me whole. You move in light unseen, where heaven meets between. In stillness I can see you're here with me. Sacred moments, soft and true. All my heart belongs to you. Every silence sings your name. I'll never be the same. Sacred moments, calm and pure. Your In stillness I can see you're here with me. Sacred moments, soft and true. All my heart belongs to you. Every silence sings your name. I'll never be the same. Sacred moments, calm and pure. Your presence will endure. Forever I'll remain in sacred moments again. Every breath you sanctify, every tear you dry. Your peace surrounds my heart. You're where I start. Let your spirit stay in me every day. Forever I will find your peace divine. Sacred moments, soft and true. All my heart belongs to you. Every silence sings your name. I'll never be the same. Sacred moments, calm and pure. Your presence will endure. Forever I'll remain in sacred moments. spirit lights the dark, ignites my sleeping heart. Forever